Hello and welcome back. In the previous videos, we completed part 1 of phase 4, where we explained routes, visits, and route builder. Now we will move to part 2 of phase 4, which is the defaults section. In this part, we will explain how defaults help simplify and speed up the quotation process in the system. We will begin with the default cover page. To access the cover page section, go to the left-hand side menu, click Quotation, then Defaults, and then select Cover Page. Before we start configuring the cover page, we first need to understand what defaults are and how they work in the system. Defaults are used to save time when creating quotations by avoiding repeated work. They allow users to predefine information that is commonly used in most quotations, so it does not need to be entered manually each time. For example, cover page, as it normally includes general information about the company or about your country, frequently used programs and routes, transportation plans, general seasonality used for manual pricing, and standard inclusions and notes used in quotations. When defaults are configured correctly, users can prepare quotations faster, with fewer mistakes, and without re-entering the same information repeatedly. Now let us look specifically at the cover page default. The cover page is configured separately for each language. This means that every language can have its own cover page description. The cover page will appear in the quotation proposal when the cover page checkbox is enabled during the proposal generation. The language of the cover page follows the proposal language selected in the quotation. For example, if the proposal language is English, the English cover page will appear. If the proposal language is Spanish, Russian, Chinese, or any other language, the system will display the matching cover page language, if it exists. If the selected proposal language does not have a predefined cover page, the system will automatically fall back to English as the default language. To add a cover page, click on the green plus button, then select the language. Next, enter the cover page description, which usually includes a short introduction about your company or the destination, such as general information about Jordan. This text will appear in the top section of the quotation proposal when the cover page option is enabled. This completes the first section of Part 2 in Phase 4. In the next section, we will explain programs and how they are used in the system. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.